Assalamu alaikum. Pakistan National Assembly passes 25 bills to set up new universities institutes on its 27th July 2023 session. 17 had been introduced by the member in the same sitting, whereas Education Minister Rana Tanveer Hussain discourages the mushroom growth of education institutes. One university is unfortunate. Why? Let's see. 17 universities had been introduced by the member in the same sitting, and the Speaker put them for a vote after the House, through motions, allowed him to do so without referring them to the committee concerns. The University of Shahid Benazir Bhutto, the Institute of Health and Professional Studies, the Sheikhupura Institute of Advanced Sciences, the Cosmic Institute of Sciences and Technology, Islamabad, the Bulle Shah International University, Kasur, Ravi Institute, Sahiwal, the International Islamic Institute for Peace, the Shah Bano Institute, Jadawala, the National University of Health and Emerging Sciences and Technology, the International Islamic Yemen University, Habiba Institute of Health Sciences, the Mufti Azam Islamic University, the Kalam Bibi International Women Institute Bannu, Islamabad International University, Pakistan, Islamabad Institute of Modern Sciences, Al Baruni International University, Islamabad. Parliamentary Secretary for the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs Saad Wasim said all these universities would be established after completion of the codal formalities and approval of the Higher Education Commission. He said the government appreciate the love of the member of the education, and therefore it had decided not to oppose these legislations. Introduction of bills but not discussed the Institute of Taxation bill. I don't know why this was not presented for the approval. Bill passed in this session but introduced in the previous sessions. The Metropolitan International Institute of Science and Technology, the Askari Institute of Higher Education, the Federal Ziauddin University, the Indus University of Science and Technology, the Institute of Management and Technology, the Pak China Gwadar University, Lahore, the National Institute of Technology Bill, the Pak Institute of Management Sciences and Technology, the Horizon University Bill. In this regard, I would like to present one statement from our education minister, and he said in assembly on January 17, said he opposed the tradition of tabling bills in parliament to get charter of new private universities without getting HEC input, stating the instead of encouraging mushroom growth of educational institutions, focus should be on improving the quality of education. Thanks.